Hello guys. Today I gonna tell you something much more interesting about the vaccines which is gonna release by August 15th. Come let
Welcome, my dear friends. India has now jumped onto rank 3 in the world COVID cases. That is, India has the most number of COVID cases just after USA and Brazil. There is no doubt about the fact that there is urgent need of vaccines for COVID 19. The sooner a vaccine is developed, the more people we will be able to save. But how soon a vaccine can be developed? That's the question. Baba Ramdev has already launched this treatment Coronil, which promises 100% recovery rate within 7 days. This is what he claims. A lot of controversy ensued and several questions were raised. An FIR was also lodged against Baba Ramdev regarding this, and Coronil has even been banned in some states. On the other hand, ICMR has been hoping that by this 15th, by our Independence Day, India will launch its world's first COVID 19 vaccine. Is it realistically possible? Let's analyze. Come on. How do vaccines work? Let's start with the basics first. What are vaccines? How do they work? Mock exams. Basically, vaccines are mock exams just before the main exams. Before you write a board examination, you need a preparation, so that is called pre-board examinations. So here vaccines are treated as pre-board examinations. What happens if a virus enters your body? Normally, when virus attack or infect our body, our immune system responds. Our immune system has three main jobs. First is detecting virus, second to remove the virus from our body by waging a war. This is done by our white blood cells within our body, which is also can be treated as our personal army of our body. They fight the virus and remove them from our body. And when this happens, for example, we get a fever, cough, and cold. These are the symptoms that it is trying to remove the virus from our body. The third job of an immune system is to memorize. That it is to remember how to react and fight against the virus that it has already encountered once. Vaccines prepare our body beforehand, just like a mock exams. It helps the body in recognizing the virus and creating a memory how to fight and remove it from our body.
Now you may think, how does the vaccine train our immune systems? Often vaccines are made out of virus, dead virus, weakened virus, fragmentation of virus. These are very lengthy procedure and it takes a hell lot of time. There are almost 70 vaccines in front of WHO right now, and there are almost phase 3 trials started on July in so many nations. Let's speak about India. There is a vaccine named Covaxin which has been a beacon of hope. It is manufactured by a company called Bharat Biotech, which is based in Hyderabad. They already have been granted the approval to start with the human trials, and it is expected that they will start the second phase by this week. The testing will be conducted on over 1000 people in Hyderabad. But to say that this vaccine will be available before the 15th of August or on 15th of August is extremely unrealistic. You can compare it by yourself. Rest of the nations which have completed the third phase, but still the vaccines have not yet been released. Independence Day equals to independence from Corona. This is what a message for government is going to give the entire globe right now. This is very critical time. This is not a time to spread any propaganda, but government is doing the same. Government is playing a marketing strategy right now. Science is important, not the marketing strategy. Any side effects caused by the vaccines is directly responsible by government. Any side effect caused is caused to the general public. So, sufficient time and research is required. I'm concluding this video with a suggestion. My advice is to take a time and giving a quality is much more important, not to match a numbers or apply marketing strategy in this COVID situation is too unfair. So take your own time and release the vaccine in a much more appropriate manner. Jai Hind, and thank you for watching the video and thank you for bearing with me. Love you guys. This is Edu Animation. Let's gain knowledge with some fun.